Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix any battery draining issues on your iPhone, whether it's iOS 16 or you're still on iOS 15. I'm going to show you how to fix any battery draining issues on all supported iPhones. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, you're going to click on settings and we're going to go down to mail. We're going to start with mail. So mail, accounts, you click on accounts. And in this, you click fetch new data, and this is what you're going to find. Now, first of all, first thing you do is you disable push. This is like the #1 danger for your battery. You disable push and you put it every 15 minutes. So basically, the mail app will be searching for new mails every 15 minutes. So it's not every second where it's just constantly searching for new mails. You don't need that. And if you want, you can change it automatically, anything you want. Now next, we get out of mail and we go up to privacy and security. Now over here, we're going to go to location services. So just click on that. And we're going to go down here. So first of all, check all these apps. If any of them says always, get into it and put in while using the app. All of them. As you can see, all of mine are while using the app or never. And now next, after you've done that, you scroll down and you see the system services. Click on system services. And as you can see, all of these are on, and most of these are just battery drainers we don't even need. So the only things that we're going to leave on is emergency calls and SOS, find my iPhone, and network and wireless. All of them disable. So disable each and one of them. Oops, sorry, that's the one that you shouldn't disable. So your iPhone should look like this. Just 3 toggles on. Now next, scroll down and iPhone analytics, routing and traffic, disable that. And status bar, if you want it on, you can turn it on. It basically shows you when an app is using your location up here. Now next, after you finish, go back. That's it, we've finished here. Now we're gonna go to accessibility. We're gonna go to display and text size. Now, one thing that I have used, they have helped me so much, is reduce white point. Reduce white point, basically, you can set it to however you want. The brightness of the display goes down. So if I put the lowest brightness and this like to the max, the screen will look like black. There's nothing there. So I recommend putting it to 50. I put it to 50. And there's definitely a big difference there. I use it, it works 100%, so I'm going to leave it on. Next, get out of here and go to motion. Now, just one tip, this setting is not for everyone. Only if you are experiencing really bad battery draining issue, turn this on, because it basically gives you these weird motions. I don't like them. I prefer these old motions. I don't know what you prefer. If you prefer to reduce the motion, turn it on. And it does help, obviously, because it's using the CPU instead of your GPU. So it's removing the strain off your GPU. After you finish from there, you go down back to display and brightness. Now, you can put dark if you want, or light. For me, both of them are the same. And dark is just for aesthetics, so yeah. And also put auto lock to 2 minutes or 1 minute. You should not put it to never, because if your phone is just lying down like this and you have, for example, it's on, the screen will always remain on, especially if it's an OLED display screen. You don't want it to be always on, otherwise some screen burnings or any bad stuff can happen. So go back. Now you want to go to general, background app refresh, and click on this. You're going to find it on Wi-Fi mobile data. You're going to put it back to Wi-Fi only. And all these apps will have toggled on. They're all going to be toggled on. Now, which ones do you leave off and on? Well, most of them you're going to turn off. For example, I don't need the Apple Store in the background, refreshing its content in the background. I don't need that. Unless it's a messaging app, a banking app, or a mailing app like Gmail, Mail, any of these, leave them on. If it's WhatsApp, Instagram, leave them on. If it's any banking app, leave it on. Any other than that, you don't need it in the background. For example, Apple Store, what am I going to do with it in that background? Any of these, I don't need them in the background. I just turn on, for example, Gmail, as you can see. Stuff that I really need in the background. So most of these, even these, I'll put them off because you don't need them. So yeah, after you finish with that, check all your apps, scroll down. and that's about it. Also, another thing you want to do is you want to go to, where is it, display, and lower your brightness. Keep it always low. Don't always put it to max, and people tell me, oh, my battery's dying. Put it to the low, like this. You can use your iPhone. I mean, I'm gonna put it up for the sake of the video, but always put it low unless you're in a sunny, bright area, and then always put it low. Just your iPhone should be usually like this. This is the level that your iPhone should be if you want better battery life. And yeah, so these are the only settings. Like this, you should have your iPhone fixed. And for watching, if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and also comment down below what other video you want to watch next. Peace.